Hello everybody! Welcome
Hi.
to the Diecast Monster. Julia and I are gonna open up 3 brand new Hot Wheel Monster Truck color shifters. We had 4, but one was a duplicate, so that's out. Oh, you're showing things twice. Okay, so let's open them up. And we're gonna put them in some warm water to see what
I'm gonna do this one because it's pretty purple.
it is. I'm gonna grab this one. This one. What do you even have? What is that called?
The Podium Crusher.
That Podium Crusher. See, that's a duplicate, so we put that to the side. And I have the What Roger Dodger, so I'm gonna open that up.
Then I'm gonna open the Town Hauler.
I thought we had another version of that, but it's not quite the same. This is pretty cool. This is the Roger Dodger. Yeah, let's put them over on it. And you're working on which one?
The Town Hauler.
Town Hauler. Oh, that is nice. Well, throw them in some water.
Alright.
No time to waste. They need a bath. What do you want to do? Want to go on a double track? Drive them in?
Sure.
Whoa. Why not? All right, here, double track. Let's
I
see.
got the
Tell me how
Town Hauler.
just like that. Yay! Ooh, upside down. Whoa,
Wow.
that's a pretty nice color.
Oh, that's cool.
Hold on a second. Let me do that again. I'll let you do that again. Instant replay. There it is. Ready? Go. It wants to go upside down. Wow, that is nice. All right. Let me see if I can hold this somehow a little better.
I got the
Is that the Roger Dodger?
no,
No, that's over here. You got the
Podium Crusher.
Podium Crusher. Ready? Go. They don't want to stay up.
Ooh.
That's also a nice color.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do that one again without the track.
I got the Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger going in, and of course it wants to go upside down. Oh,
Wow. What changed?
I don't know. Let's take these tracks out from
Okay, I
there.
got the Podium Crusher.
There we go. Yeah. For some reason, they like it upside down. I've got this one.
Roger Dodger.
That's also nice. Then you
I
got
got- I forget what this one's called.
the van. All right, I'm gonna move down more. Okay, in reverse. You ready?
Yeah. So I got the Town Hauler.
Yes.
Dude, this one's cool.
Okay, I will do the. Boy, that's so fast. Good. Look at that. That's cool. They got some nice graphics on here.
Yeah.
And
I
you
got the Roger Dodger.
There it goes.
Wow.
Wow. I'm gonna put them on warm one more time, and let's see which. Can't see which is my favorite yet.
My favorite is the purple one.
Which one is your Which one's your
I
favorite?
think this one is my favorite.
I'm gonna do the Roger Dodger. Look, pretty nice. We don't have very many monster trucks, but these are nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the last one.
Sure. This one's really cool.
That is, and that changes color really
I
nice.
think this one actually might be my favorite.
Oh, you changed your mind? Nice. See, the checkers just disappear.
Not completely, but yeah.
That's nice. All right, there you have it. From Julia and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want something more, please subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.
Bye.
Bye.